Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change or make someone an ad band app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the band app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap the chat button at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the group, look at the top, tap on the three horizontal lines, then select members or tap on view all. This will show the full list of group members. Scroll through the member list and find the person you want to make an admin. Tap on their name to open the profile or member option. Look for the option change role or make admin. Tap it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap yes or confirm to assign admin rights. Go back to your member list. You should see a small admin badge next to the member's name, which confirm they now have admin privileges. If you ever need to remove admin rights, just follow the same steps, tap change role and select member to remove their admin access. And that's it. You have successfully changed or assigned admin rights in the band app on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.